How to use a voucher in Foodpanda Voucher. If you want to use your voucher in Foodpanda, there are two ways to do so. First, you can open the Foodpanda app and go to Accounts section. Then from Accounts, you can scroll under Products for You and select Vouchers and simply type in your voucher by tapping on Add a Voucher and adding them manually, or you can always use these vouchers manually from here. Otherwise, you can just go to your cart and during the checkout process, you can add a voucher. So when you are here, you can simply select Apply a Voucher option, then choose between the different vouchers that you want to apply, and it will be applied and give you a certain amount of discount based on the value of the voucher. This is how you can use your voucher in Foodpanda. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries, doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.